Hi guys, so we're gonna open this item that I bought in Shopee from ilovemypets.ph. This is a paw cleaner for my dog. The packaging is a little bit dirty now here. I don't know what happened. Oh, it's really sealed. It is really sealed. But the packaging is dirty. It looks like this. This is a paw cleaner. It is 190 pesos, of course, plus a shipping fee from Shopee. But it is already discounted since I bought this on sale. See, it is made from plant extracts, antibacterial scrub, and pH neutral with moisturizers. So, ito yung brush niya. The brush is like this. So, let's try it to Cookie first. Hi guys! So, we're gonna try this to Cookie, the paw cleaner, since she's staying and sleeping in my room. So, I want her paw to be clean always, every day, before entering my room. So, let's try it. Okay, are you ready, Cookie? We need to pump this first. Oops! Yan. So, medyo foamy siya. And, scrub it. Mabango siya. Parang menthol. It smells good, ha? It's really nice. I'm sure na makiklean yung paw talaga niya dito since etong brush yung gamit. Gantong brush yung gamit. And I only have tissue since I don't have a towel. And just wipe it. See? Medyo madumi talaga since nasa labas siya. Since lumalabas siya. So, and one last. Very satisfying siya i-scrub, actually. By the way, Preggy Cookie. And we're just gonna wipe it. And wipe it again. Just to make sure na wala na yung foamy soap. Para siyang yung sa facial brush, facial scrub na ginagamit. It's really nice. And that's it. See? Sobrang dumi talaga, oh. Yan yung tissue na ginamit namin. So, hiniga ko na lang siya para hindi siya mapagod. Ayan. Oops, medyo napadami ko pala. And tissue. Just wipe it. Look at that. Oh, and on the other side. So, ito yung before. Medyo light brown pa. And pump it and scrub. Inaantok na siya. Inaantok na siya, guys. Tingnan nyo. Tulog na siya. And let's wipe it. Wow, malinis na talaga, oh. See that? It's really black. I really like this. Natatanggal pala siya, guys. Ayan, oh. Natatanggal pala siya. So, you can wash this after mong gamitin sa dogs mo. That's it! Thank you guys for watching. Medyo tulog na tong kasama ko. Inaantok na. Bye!